Hey everybody, what's going on? I want to personally say thank you very much for getting us up to the 1,000 subscribers mark. It means a lot to me. When I first started doing YouTube videos, I just said, you know what? I want to put some videos out there. I want to help people. I want to do three things in life. I want to motivate, I want to educate, and I want to inspire. And I really want to thank each and every one of you from all around the world. I have people that have subscribed from different areas of the planet, which make me feel really special because I know my content's getting out there, it's being shared, people are watching it. So please never feel hesitant to reach out. If you want to ask a question, I'm happy to help out. We have an amazing online app that we are in development and providing in finishing up. And once this is ready by the end of the month, I'm going to give each and every one of you guys some sneak preview process of it. It's going to have workouts, nutritional tips, exercise demos, a whole bunch of stuff. But once again, thank you so much for helping us reach the 1,000 subscriber mark. It wouldn't be possible without the help of you guys. And remember, when it comes to health and fitness, attitude is everything. It's the most important part of your program. If you don't know what to do, you can be resourceful to find out, to learn, to ask questions, to text, to email someone like myself or anyone else that can help you. But if you have a negative attitude or a negative mindset, doesn't matter what it is in life, you will never be able to be successful. Whether you want to do well in school, in relationships, in a marriage, in a business, in fitness, you have to have a great attitude. So thank you so much to each and every one. This flex, boom, goes to you guys. Take care.